All right, guys, my up game this week is for the fellas. Guys, unlike women, we don't have tricks like makeup to conceal imperfections in our skin. And as we age, flaws can worsen if we don't take steps to correct and preserve what we got. So this week, I'm upping your game with a few tips to keep your skin looking good, believe it or not. All right, first and foremost, the important thing is sun protection. Now, studies show that using sun protection daily, even on cloudy days, you'll have a 24% reduction in how your skin ages, and that's FPS 15 or higher. They even make moisturizers, guys, with sunblock built in there, so there's no excuse. Next, you want to watch your sodium intake. Did you know that lowering your sodium intake can help reduce those puffy eyes? We all get them. And like I told you last week in my Up Your Game, drinking water is the key here. And then there are supplements. You know, people seem to think that supplements are unnecessary these days because we should all be getting nutrients we need from our diet. Well, that's not exactly true. And there are some that can go a long way in improving your skin. Vitamin D is the one you want to try, especially if you live in places like Portland or Seattle where it's really gray. And lastly, diet and exercise. What you eat can actually give you added resistance to sun damage, and exercise can go a long way toward improving your complexion, clearing up acne, and warding off signs of premature aging. So guys, we need to take care of the largest organ on our body, our skin. Your game has just been upped.